The purpose of this demo is to showcase the progress we have made with Payroll 2.0. Please note that this information is subject to change since development is still in progress. In this demo, we will be highlighting the new features in employee maintenance. We now have 8 tabs: Main, Additional, Benefits, Taxes, Pay Defaults, Earnings, Deductions, and Pay History. In addition, the More button gives you access to ACA Employee Maintenance, Direct Deposit, where you can set up the employee's bank account information, Employee Number, and Tax Summary. On the main dialog, the employee's first name and last name now allows entry of 40 characters. The middle name and suffix fields are new. You can enter 25 characters for the middle name and 4 characters for the suffix. A delete button has been added, but you cannot delete an employee if there is existing earnings, deductions, or tax history. On the main tab, we've added a second phone number and have included an extension field, a phone type drop box, and a checkbox to indicate the primary number. We've also added a job title field, a full part-time drop box, along with a date and comment that can be entered when the employee status has changed. On the Additional tab, we have expanded the selections for marital status, added a veteran checkbox, a military service separation date, and a location field for reference purposes. In the previous version, there was a race field that allowed you to enter a code to identify the employee's race. You can now select the race from the Dropbox list. A second emergency contact has been added, and you can now enter the relationship of the emergency contact to the employee. On the Benefits tab, new fields for medical coverage have been added for informational purposes. The benefit amounts displayed here are now stored in a new employee history table tracked by calendar year. The amounts are locked and can only be changed on the Tax Summary dialog located under the More button. The eligibility date is new and is used to calculate the employee's time off hours and availability. The date will default based on criteria entered for the time off code. The last date reset is also new and displays the last date on which the employee's annual time off limits are reset to 0. The time off descriptions that were defined in Payroll Options have been carried forward, and you can drill down to view the monthly amounts for the selected time off benefit. I'm going to skip over the Taxes tab. An explanation of how taxes are set up will be explained in a separate video. On the Pay Defaults tab, the Alternate Employee Check Name field allows you to enter the employee's name as it should appear on the check and direct deposit stubs. If you leave this field blank, the employee's name will appear as first name, followed by the first letter of the middle name, then last name and suffix. A new option has been added allowing you to summarize the pay details on the check stub or detail out all earnings and deductions as they were entered in payroll data entry. And you can now enter 9 separate pay rates. The Earnings tab will display quarter and year-to-date amounts based on the year selected. The drill down allows you to view the monthly amounts for the selected earnings code. The Deductions tab will display quarter and year-to-date amounts for the current year. The drill down allows you to view the monthly amounts for the selected deductions code. You can also add a deductions code for the current year. On the Pay History tab, the primary grid displays the employee's gross wages, net wages, withholding taxes, deductions, and hours for each payment based on the year selected. The secondary grid displays the employee's year-to-date totals. The check search allows you to locate a specific check or direct deposit payment by date, number, or gross wages. If Paperless Office is set up, you will be able to view the employee's payments through the Paperless Office viewer. This concludes the demo for employee maintenance. Thank you for watching.